Hey guys, so the virtual machine actually locked up there on that warning message, so I had to use the window controls to actually close it. Hopefully you guys don't have the same issue. But once we have that shut down, we want to make sure that it's not going to try to boot up using the same ISO because we no longer need to install it. So we need to make sure that this is empty. Um, If this is checked, just click it. It should uncheck it. Hit OK. And now we're going to start the machine. So it should be exactly the same as the previous boot process. It's going to show this screen and then it should show the Ubuntu loading screen. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to click View in the menu bar and go to full screen mode. You can also click a combination of the right control key and F in order to do this. So this is called Light DM. It's the login screen manager for Ubuntu. We see our user here and a password, so I'm going to put in my password here and hit enter. There we go. So this is Ubuntu, and it's going to load up with a modal during your first launch that shows you keyboard shortcuts. The most notable thing here is that the super key here is what the Windows key is called. So on your keyboard, you've got a key in the lower left that has the Windows icon on it. That is the super key. So thanks for joining me, and in the next video we're going to be going through a basic configuration of the system.